Okay, so I'm at the park right now with JP, Guano, and Menton. And what's the temperature, guys?
It's fucking cold.
And these guys were gonna suck my dick if I ran around.
Yeah, okay.
That's if I ran shirtless from here to that over there.
Can't see
And it's like really cold.
Keep going.
So hold my shit. You guys gotta give this shit back.
You're gonna walk like that, son.
Alright, let's go.
Hell no, Squano, he gotta go through hell, let it get wet.
You guys are assholes.
Hurry up.
Hurry up! Oh my God, run! Fly! Fly! Come back! Hurry! Run on the track! Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Give me my stick! You gotta go get it! Run back with him. Oh, you're gonna get so sick over this.
How did that feel?
I feel like I got asthma.
No more abs.
My mom.
They hide the camera.
I gotta jerk off. Dude, what?
Can't say that on YouTube.
Mental illness, guys. Pretty much. Yeah.
I'm going home. Shit. I don't know what I'm supposed to say. Where's my phone? Goodbye.